Right, so in front of us we have the accounting dashboard. In case you don't remember how to get there, a quick revision is to go to main menu, click on the drop down, and click on accounting. Right. So now how do we do a payment voucher? Right. The fastest way is go to bank, click on bank, do a drop down, click on payments. Right. So as you can see in front of us, we have a few types of payments already in there. Just to let you know, number is actually your reference number. This is a unique number for all transactions. So it doesn't matter what you change elsewhere, as long as you keep the number a unique number, and you will be fine, right? And there is no fixed format or prefixes to it. You are welcome to change your own format. So in front of us we have S, which is for staff. This is my own format. We have RV, which is the receipt voucher. We have E for expenses. Again, this is my personal reference that I use, and so on and so forth. Right? So it's up to you how you want to set your references. Alright. So quickly, how do you set a payment? Okay. The fastest way is to click on New Payment. Right. Now, in front of you, you have quite a simple format. Contact would be who your partner will be. This could be your customer or your supplier. Payment type will be for paid or receive. Now, the difference between the two is that if you click on paid, this will be a payment voucher, and if you click on receive, this will be a receipt voucher. Right? So you can do a direct payment or invoice payment. You set the date. Here again, the reference number. Now, as you can see, the account will link directly to the chart of accounts, which relates only to banks, right? So banks or petty cash, essentially. Okay, the currency, and so on and so forth. So now, on each payment voucher, you can have a few types of payment all lumped into one. Just enter the description, the quantity, prices, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's really it. That's a quick introduction to it. Of course, some of you may have just one description for all payment vouchers, and you feel that you want to upload it onto the system using Excel template. That's also possible. Right? So if you want to do that, just let me know. In front of me is a Excel CSV format file. As you can see in front of me, these are the headings that are required to upload the file. Right? So you have payment type, payment subtype, contact or name, the account, the chart of account line that you want to enter it, the date, again the number, which is the reference, the description, amount, the account that you want to pay to, and a tracking code that you can use. Once you've done this, you just have to save it as a CSV format. Okay. As you can see here is a CSV format. You just save that file. Going back to the software, all you have to do now is click on import. Choose the file that I had just now was this, and you click import. So that's really the method that you could use if you want to import it directly from Excel. Now, of course, there's another way to do this, and that is to go to either your account receivable or your payable. Right? So let's take an example. Right? Invoice number 21, Lifecraft Asia, 50 ringgit. The status is waiting for payment. So this is just the invoice. So what you can do essentially is that you can also create the payment voucher here. So For this one example, it will be 50 ringgit. Okay. Click on the account line. If you have an F reference, you enter reference and you click on add payment. As you can see, this is a much simplified version. Lots more information are not in there, so you could decide for yourself how you want to do it, and I'll leave that to you. So that's really it. Again, click on bank, payment. Here are all your payment vouchers. Now, as soon as you've created a payment voucher, make sure to click on post. Alright, this will then post the file into the system, whereby a double entry journal will be created. Alright, so for this one, for example, the information within the system has already automatically created the disbursement journal, and it is updated on your accounting record. All these are done automatically. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you. Again, if you have any questions, make sure to contact me directly. All right, thank you, and have a nice day.